Dacia has reinvented Duster's design with a modern, well-built style, with deliberately taut, self-confident lines. The all-new Duster is built on the CMFB platform. It has more space for passengers and luggage than the previous generation, yet is only fractionally longer overall. The platform's advanced engineering also reduces vibration and noise from the road, enhancing driver comfort. It provides a leap in driving pleasure with an unmatched connection to the road. The all-new Duster's design is consistent, it moves with the times and combines its adventurous character with a more sustainable edge. The simple shapes and volumes add to the design's power, including the sharp, vertical-faced, chamfered wheel arch guards, large tailgate and side windows reaching seamlessly from bow to stern. The all-new Duster's head and rear lamps are arranged in a Y, and the same shape is visible on the alloy wheels. These are also chrome-free, the way the materials are polished is what gives them their shine. The entire area around the body is now protected from light bumps and scratches. The flank shields connect to the wheel arch guards and front and rear bumpers, forming a protective belt. The large skid plates under the bumpers protect the underbody. The front and rear skid plates are dyed in the mass. The side underbody shields, wheel arch guards, hallmarks, triangles on the front bumper, front and rear skid plates and rear shield tail are made of a sturdy material called starkle. It is not painted, so scrapes and scratches will not leave conspicuous marks. Like the outside, the inside comes with all the essentials, meaning the features that serve a purpose. A lot of work went into the ergonomics, including the 10.1-inch center screen positioned in the driver's field of view and at a 10 degrees angle towards them. The new automatic transmission controls are particularly driver-friendly. The steering wheel's flattened surfaces at the top and bottom make it exceedingly comfortable to handle. The new Y-shaped signature underscores the link between the all-new Duster's interior and exterior. The surface of the air vents are Y-shaped, with copper in the extreme trim, and the Y also appears around the door panel armrests. The brand name in the middle of the steering wheel has been replaced with the Dacia logo. A new infotainment system with a 10.1-inch center touchscreen is included as standard in the Expression and Up, and available with both multimedia systems from Duster, namely Media Display and Media Nav Live. The all-new Duster is the first to feature a 7-inch customizable color digital dashboard, where the driver can display the information they find most useful in the layout they prefer. This digital dashboard comes as standard with Expression trim and Up. Media Control, featured in the Essential trim, is a complete infotainment system you can control from the steering wheel. It displays media-related information on a 3.5-inch screen next to the analog cluster on the dashboard. It has 4 speakers, a Bluetooth connection, a USB port and a smartphone stand built into the dashboard. The cabin is heavy-duty. This is especially apparent in the Extreme trim, coming as standard, which comes with washable TEP micro-cloud upholstery and rubber mats in the front, rear and boot. Its boot floor is lower, and its boot opening is wider and higher, providing up to 6% extra space. The all-new Duster's off-road capabilities are unparalleled in the non-expert 4x4 market, so fans of the outdoors can enjoy it without worry. The ground clearance is 217 mm measurement between axles in the 4x4 version, the highest on the market. With up to 31 degrees at the front and 36 degrees at the rear in 4x4 versions, the approach and departure angles allow it to clear even more obstacles. It has a 24 degrees for the ventral angle. The all-new Duster features downhill speed control, which is especially useful on rough terrain and steep slopes. The system principally actuates the brakes to keep the vehicle's speed under control, based on the driver's input, at between 0 and 30 km/h. The CMFB platform has embarked the all-new Duster on its journey to electrification as it can accommodate powertrains using mild hybrid and full hybrid technologies. The new Dacia Duster HYBRID 140 powertrain is built with technologies that Renault Group has tried and tested, and comprises a 4-cylinder, 1.6-litre, 94-horsepower petrol engine, 2 electric motors, a 49-horsepower powerplant and a high-voltage starter generator, an electric automatic gearbox with 4 engine ratios and 2 motor ratios. This combined technology is possible because the system is clutchless. The regenerative braking, the 1.2 kWh 230 volts battery's high energy recovery capacity and the gearbox's efficiency make it possible to drive in all-electric mode up to 80% of the time in cities, which reduces consumption by 20% mixed to 40% urban cycle.